Eat my taco, eat my taco.
That's not, Hugo. That's not.
You're not gonna eat?
No.
Why?
It's just cheese.
Yeah, go eat it.
Eat my
Give her
taco.
that.
Okay.
You don't want that taco? Give it to Savannah then. She'll eat it.
You have some.
She's eating her taco. She's eating her taco. She's eating her taco. Tacos.
Free tacos.
Thanks a lot, Taco Bell.
Yeah, free tacos.
Eat my taco. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
We're done. My taco.
Savannah, she doesn't eat it. You could eat hers too. It's soft.
Oh, my taco's gone. I have no more taco.
There you go.
That's what they want. No one can. Oh, whoa. None, I think they gave me an extra.
Yeah, no.
Oh,
I'll put the extra one in there.
More napkins.
oh. Darn it. Thought they gave me an
She doesn't
extra.
like cheese.
Taco. Brand new taco.
You're not cheese, Vanessa. You always eat cheese with me.
Ah. Taco humor.
What?
Nothing.
This is why I hate hard tacos. They all
Ah.
great.
This one's kind of soft.
The bottom is.
Yeah. Why you no like tacos?
No, I like tacos. He doesn't like cheese.
Would you prefer Roberto's? I mean, Roberto's, whatever.
Not me.
I do. For the burrito. But I'm having tacos.
I like the nachos. You know what I forgot the freaking nachos. Cheese.
I don't like nachos. Don't. We're eating our tacos. Cheese tacos. Ah. It seems Boo Boo wants a taco. Here, Boo Boo. Boo Boo. Boo Boo. I got a taco. Ah, fail. Ah. Guess he doesn't want my taco. My taco.
Now we got two stuffed tacos. I like
I'm making a video about tacos. New. Wait, is that a burrito?
cheese.
Is it?
Oh, gosh.
If it was a burrito, you are disgraced to this video.
I like cheese. I like pie. I like cheese.
She also likes mint chip.
I made it into a mini burrito there.
You are a disgrace to this video now.
Why? You don't have a burrito.
I have a taco.
So do I.
I'm having a taco. Okay, my taco's gone now, but
I had a taco and now I'm eating it.
mm.
I'm gonna go get a water.
I got that on video. Ow. No. Eating my taco shells.
No. No Costco.
Taco cam.
Where's Boo Boo?
I don't know. He doesn't want my taco.
He likes his taco.
Another taco.
Another taco.
But with lettuce, so that's the downfall. Or cheese. I don't really like cheese. Meh. I don't like cheese.
I like cheese.
Then go eat your taco.
No, I put ice on it.
Ah.
Really?
Yes, really. It's a taco! End of taco video.